Let's solve a problem step by step. The ratio of ages of A and B is 3 to 2. After 5 years, the ratio becomes 4 to 3. Find their present ages? Let's assume age of A will be 3K and age of B will be 2K. So, after 5 years A is 3K plus 5 and B is 2K plus 5. So, 3K plus 5 by 2K plus 5 equals 4 by 3. Solution is K equals 5. Present ages will be 3K, 2K it is 15 and 10. Let's solve another problem step by step. A invests 20,000 Indian rupees for 12 months, B invests 30,000 Indian rupees for 8 months. Find their profit-sharing ratio? So, A invests 20,000 for 12 months and B invests 30,000 for 8 months. The ratio will be 24 is to 24 it is 1 is to 1. Let's solve another problem step by step. A mixture has milk and water in ratio 7 to 3. If 10 liters of water is added to 40 liters of mixture, find the new ratio. Assume milk is 7x and water is 3x. So if 10-liter water added, so water will be 3x plus 10. And the mixture is 50. So milk 7x plus water 3x plus 10, the total is 50. Hence x equals 4. Now the milk and water ratio in the mixture is 14 is to 11. Hope you understand this better. If not, pause the video and watch it again. Let's solve more questions in the next video. Keep like it, share it, and subscribe. Have a great day.